South Dakota's dairy industry is vibrant and growing, and consumers got to see that for themselves during June Dairy Month open houses. MoDak Dairy of Goodwin is just one of many operations opening their doors to the public this month.
Now with livestock, everybody wants to see everything that's going on with how we handle animals, how their food is produced.
This 2,000 cow operation is indicative of the growth in the state's dairy industry.
Right now the processor is stepping the plate, so we have to bring some more milk in for them because they want it.
However, as consumers saw on the tour, the expansion is being done in an environmental manner.
The number one thing is we try to be responsible. We live here too as farmers. We drink the water, we breathe the air.
Those dairy farms also bring significant economic value to the state.
Every dollar that you can spend gets turned around in the community and helps our local businesses, and it's just a benefit all the way around.
This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.